Question 11 says determine the quantity of electricity used when a current of 0.20 amperes is passed through an electrolytic cell for 60 minutes. So all we need to do is to bring out the parameters, use the correct equation in solving this, and we get the answer. So let's begin. Bringing out the parameters, the question is saying that we are to look for the quantity of electricity. And quantity of electricity is the Q, the value for Q. When a current of 0.20 ampere, current is given as I, which is equals to 0.20 amperes, okay? And it's passed through an electrolytic cell for 60 minutes. So the time is 60 minutes, that is T, 60 minutes. However, we do not work with minutes, we will work with seconds. So we have to change 60 minutes to seconds. So converting 60 minutes to seconds is going to be 60 minutes, 60 seconds makes 1 minute, right? So 60 minutes is 1 hour. So for us to convert second to minutes is going to be 60 times 60, and this is going to be 3,600 seconds, okay? So we are going to use the formula Q is equals to IT. Q is the value we are to find, which is the quantity of electricity, and I is the current, which is 0.20 times the T, the time, that is 3,600. So from here, punching the calculator, 0.20 times 3,600 gives us 720 columns. So Q is equal to 720 columns. So let's look at the options and see which of these options is the correct answer. So looking at A to D, we can see the option D is the correct answer. So let's move on to the next question, which says, oxochlorate 1 acid is used as a bleaching agent because. So we have 4 options here. The first option says the reason why oxochlorate 1 acid is used as a bleaching agent is because A is a weak acid, B says a reducing agent, C an oxidizing agent, D says a strong acid. So oxochlorate 1 acid is used as a bleaching agent because it is an oxidizing agent. It's an oxidizing agent because it decomposes to release oxygen, which oxidizes the dye to form a colorless compound. So that is why it is said to be an oxidizing agent. So option C is the correct answer. So